Ako ngayon si Father Ken, taga Kalibo, Imao, from Banga, si Father Raul, hindi si Father Conchivino, Luneses, of course si Father Boy, Villanueva, from Bleso. 3 of them assigned doon sa Los Angeles, LA, Libacao, Aklan. Nagulat kayo, no? Ako naman na-assign sa Aklan Catholic College as chaplain para sa mga high school students and elementary. Nandito po kami kasi once a mother of a priest is also nanay ng lahat ng mga kani. Kaya kung nawalan kayo ng ina, kapatid, or kamag-anak, nawalan din kami. Because nanay din namin si Nanay Ines. Because of our sacramental brotherhood, lahat ng mga nanay o tatay ng pari ay amin din tatay at nanay. So, my brother Chris, condolence din sa atin. I am usually giving recollection to the children because of my assignment all throughout the years, different sections, grades of the student. At one time, I asked them, these little children, I asked them, how many years you like to live? Kayo, how many years you like to live? Alam niyo yung sagot ng mga bata, isa sumagot, Father, I want to live 80 years. More, sabi niya. 80 years. Yung isa, pero naughty, sabi niya, Father, 100 years. And someone just shouted without maybe thinking, Father, 200 years. And everybody starting to laugh. And then I told him one story I encountered in the hospital. You know, students, I went to the hospital and there was this little child who was paralyzed. If ikaw yung batang yun, would you still choose to live 100 years? Nag-iisip yung mga bata. Sabi ko, may nakilala ako na victim of typhoon. Siya na lang natira sa family niya. Lahat namatay. If ikaw yung taong yun, would you still choose to live 200 years? This time, their laughter is turned into silence and they were thinking. Sabi ko, see, it's not about the years. It's not about the longer years we stay here on earth. I encountered this saying about death. This spiritual author, he said, death is a gift given to us the day we were born. Ito po isang regalo na ibinigay na sa atin, bawat isa sa atin, nang tayo isinila. Just imagine if there's no death here on earth. If you are a paralyzed person, if you are sick, or everybody else already gone and you are left behind here. Death is a gift given to us the day we were born. Our desire, our longing to live a long life is attained fully not here on earth. You know that by our faith, kung gusto natin umaba yung buhay natin, hindi po dito. We fall short in our desire. Our desire must be higher things, that is eternity. Kung gusto natin habang buhay, doon po yung sa kabila. At the door going through that life eternal is death. Meron pong isang kwento ng isang pari was enjoying his life, his ministry, and here comes a story. An angel of death visited this priest, and the priest was so surprised. Sino nga ba hindi maso-surprise? Dumating yung angel of death. Could you imagine the angel of death? May ano bang nabuita na ng sanggol? Kaya di ba, picture out yung usual face of angel of death. Nakakatakot talaga. At saka yung boses niya, hello, priest. Nagulat talaga yung pare. Kala niyo hindi natatakot yung mga pare. Natatakot din yung namamatay. Mga pare. And then, this angel of death, sabi niya, you know, Father, ikaw na yung next. And then this priest pretended, what do you mean next? Alam niya na yun eh. Father, ikaw na yung next. Dito sa long list of names of soul, ikaw na ang mamamatay, Father. Tomorrow, you are the next one. Natakot yung pari talaga. Nag-isip siya. Nagkaroon siya ng bright idea. Ting! Meron siyang bright idea. Nag-isip siya. Hinawakan niya yung high-tech niya, cellphone niya. Oh, high-tech na story to ah. Allow the story to be high-tech. And then, tinawagan niya yung mother ng angel of death. Sabi niya ng angel of death, sino kinakausap mo? Mother mo! Sabi ng pare, really? I miss my mom. Pwede ba? Kausapin ko yung mother ko? Sabi ng father, sige, you can talk to your mom. Sige, have a conversation. Take your time. Usap talaga yung angel of death doon sa cellphone, sa mother niya. Excited. Marami silang pinag-usapan kasi siguro ang tagal nilang hindi nag-uusap. At yung pare naman, tinignan niya yung listahan. Talagang nandun yung listahan niya sa harapan. So, kinuha niya yung kanyang name. Habang nag-uusap yung angel of death, nilagay niya sa pinakailalim. Sabi ng pare, oo, solve na to. Okay na. Kasi hindi na siya yung first. Doon niya sa pinaka-last. Tatagal pa yung buhay niya. And finally, natapos yung conversation ng angel of death to his mother and binigyan niya. So happy, sabi niya, priest, Father, you're good, you're so kind. Allow me to have conversation with my mom. So because of that, hindi na ikaw yung uunahin ko. Doon na lang sa pinaka-huli. Ito na lang ilalagay ko sa unahan. You know the story. You know the story of what happened next. Fine. I got it. My dear friends, it's not about death that we are celebrating. It's about life. It's about life. One doctor said, we cannot defeat death, but we could improve the quality of our life. We could improve the quality of our life. There are still many people around us that we need to take care of, to love, to serve. And we love God through our neighbor. We cannot love God just in absent thing. We express our service to this God who called us first and loved us first through and by our neighbors and our family. Kay Nanay Ines, salamat sa pagiging ina. Wala nang tao mas higit pa sa isang ina. Pareha si isa kabumbungan. Rubumbungan itbagay kung magsulod ka, huwag mo gina-notice. Pero it covers the whole house. Diba? Kung magsulod kita sa bayo, makita ka tanga, aton tayo, ay kanamit na TV, ay kanamit na buga, kanamit na mga idilapat iyan, we never notice this ceiling. That's like a mother. Sometimes mother, we don't really appreciate them completely. Kakalimutan. But even then, 24/7, she will continue to serve as a mother. Kaya nga bumbungan because abot lahat-lahat. Masiserve siya sa anak niya, pati sa asawa niya, pati pa sa mga sugoon, kabahan manggapon sa anak nga, sa mga trabaho na that's a mother. Really, a mother is silent hero of our life. Sabi nga nila, God cannot be present, so He created the mothers. Because the love of the mother is unconditional. We cannot repay back our mother, but we can only be grateful forever. We don't lose our loved ones all at once, because there is a heart that will remember everything that a mother did to us. We can only utter, Lord,